Yo, 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 what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know what time it is. You know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So today is Sunday. I want to say happy Sunday, happy Labor Day to everybody, all right? In this video, I want to talk about a $65 stock that you can get right now for $13, all right? So think about this, right? If you could go buy a $40,000 car for let's say $10,000, would you go buy that car? If you know that you could sell that $10,000 car for $30,000 in, let's say, a couple months, would you do that? Exactly, right? So I want you to think about this from the perspective of buying things at a discount, right? So I want to bring you guys relevant information, life-changing information every single day, and because that's what I want to do, I got a great video for you, right? I'm going to give you guys a breakdown and an analysis of a growth stock that I think is going to be able to make you a lot of money. It's going to make me a lot of money, all right? I already have some shares, and also I've traded them, and long-term swings. I'm getting ready to get into some longer-term positions, right? So the stock that I'm talking about is going to be right here, right? The ticker symbol, I'm pulling it up right now for you guys, okay? And we're going to break all of this down today. So, the ticker symbol is going to be Webull, okay? Webull Corporation. If you are not familiar with Webull, it is a brokerage. So I want you to think about Robinhood before on the stock market, right? Robinhood when it was at $20. Robinhood right now is trading at $104, and its all-time high was $117. And before it was at $117, its all-time high was at like $85. Broke past 85 and it just blasted off, right? So Webull, I look at Webull as the same kind of stock, right? Has great upside potential, and we're gonna go into the charts and we're gonna break everything down, right? But I just want to show you first. This is on SoFi, okay? This is in my SoFi account. So this is Webull. Back in they IPO'd back in April. All right, right here it shows that they touched $62.90, $62.90. All right, that was when they IPO'd. Now look at where they're at now, $13.59, $13.59. Okay, now they did just have earnings, right? They just had earnings and they beat earnings, but they dropped after earnings, right? So I was doing some research. I'm going to give you guys like the cliff notes, right, or the highlights of earnings. So when we look at their earnings, this is what happened, right? Webull Corporation reported its earnings, okay? The company announced a significant year-over-year revenue increase, but the net loss widened substantially due to a one-time accounting charge related to its recent SPAC merger, okay? So then it's like, okay, what is a SPAC merger? What was this merger, right? So then we go to the other one, and then we got it right here, all right? They completed a special purpose acquisition company, right? Merger with SK Growth Opportunities Corporation, and it resulted in the digital investment platform listing on the NASDAQ stock market under the ticker symbol BULL, right? This deal is valued at $7.3 billion. It was approved with shareholders in March, right? So now we go back to right here, and then we look at their earnings, okay? Financials are good. Highly profitable company, right? Total revenue is 131.5 million, okay? A 46% increase from the second quarter, right? 63% year over year, right? So what they're saying is the only reason that they had a loss is because of this SPAC merger, and that helped them get on the S&P, not on S&P, that helped them get on, go public, right? That's what that's basically saying. Okay? So now we go to the charts, and then we're gonna break this down on the charts, right? So think about this. Webull, I trade Webull. They have so many things going for them. They're not even like expanded yet. When I was in Colombia, I had to call them one time, and then they were helping me, and then I was like, yeah, because I'm out of the country, I can't do X. And they said, oh, you shouldn't be using Webull out of the country because we're not out there yet. But they're getting ready to open up operations in Europe, in the Netherlands as well. And they have a lot of stuff going on with crypto, right? So the more that these things get regulated and stuff like that, this stock is going to be able to grow with that. They haven't even opened up operations like outside of the US for real. So you got to think, when this company starts operating outside of the US and more countries, the company is only going to grow in value, and that value is going to be the share price, right? And then we already have a great upside potential when we look at the charts, right? So this is Webull, right? Ticker symbol is BULL. It's at $13 right now. Its highest, what I just showed you on SoFi, was at $62.90. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the charts and we're going to base everything off of technical analysis, right? We're going to base everything off of technical analysis, and I'm going to give you guys buying zones for this stock. I already had, like I say, shares and long-term options contract. This stock right here can make you a lot of money over time. All right. Before we get into charts and before we get into analysis, I will say, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Like this video as well, okay? If you want to get $25 of free stock using my SoFi link, click the link in the description, open up an account, and fund your account, and you will get $25 of free stock. If you want to get $25 free and a high interest savings account or bank account, be sure to click the link in my description, and you can get a SoFi account. You can get that $25 free when you open up a brand new SoFi bank account, okay? So now let's go into let's go to the charts and let's break down Webull on the actual charts, okay? And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you why I think that this stock is going to be able to do some really nice numbers. All right. So let's go here. That's the Discord. Let's go to, all right, there we go. Go back. All right. All right, so this is Webull, right? This is on a daily time frame right here. So let me break this down on a daily time frame first, and then we'll go to a couple different time frames. So first things, let's zoom out real quick. If we zoom out, when Webull IPO'd, look at this. When Webull IPO'd, look at where they were at. All the way at $79.55. So we know at some point in time, Webull is going to come up here. It may take a couple years, but we know that Webull is going to come up here. And once it breaks past this $80, it could go to 100, right? It is going to take some time, but watch this. So that's $80, right? So now we come down and we say, okay, where else could this stock, start to go parabolic at? Got right here, all right, and then we got right here as well, okay? So, now what I see is we had a cup. Some people would say that this is like a cup and handle right here, but it looks like it when it comes down right here, made a little handle, and then it came up right here. This is the neckline, so it rejected off the neckline, and then it's coming back to retest right here, okay? So I see a trend line, like it's in a current slight downtrend right now. So a trend line right here, right? So you see right here was a high, right? This was a high. And then you see you have this as the same high. So it rejected off of that, right? So this could be a neckline off of a cup and handle, right? Cup, handle, breakout, rejects, come back down to retest, and then it's consolidating, and it could get ready to go make a move. Now, once it breaks above this $18 range right here, this will end up going even crazier, and it could come all the way up to about $21.50, and then even $25, $26, and we have no resistance once it breaks past $21.50. it has no resistance until like $33, right? So we could see Webull go absolutely parabolic in a crazy way over the next 18 to 24 months, right? So, like I say, we have this trend line, right? So we got a high right here, and then we have a lower high right here, okay? So we have a lower high right here, LH, right? Lower high right there. Now I made this little trend line right here. So once I see Webull start to make a rejection and start to come back up, once we break out of that trend line, right, and we start to come back to the upside and we break through here, we can go crazy. So if it depends on how low we end up going. Now we have a level right here at about $12. If you see Webull at like $12, anything under $13 is truly a gift. I want you to understand that. Anything under $13 for Webull is a gift, a real big gift, right? Because it came down to $13.21 right here. This was the top of August. Last month in July, it was down at what? $12, $11.97 right here, okay? So this is a zone, and then you could say $12 or $13 is a zone. So between $13 and $12 is the place where you want to buy it at. If it ever comes below $12, then you really, really, really want to load up, right? So then, but if we start to reverse around here and we come back up, once it breaks out past maybe about $14, right? Out of this this trend line right here, then we can see Webull come back up to here and retrace and come back up to $17 right here, right? And then if it breaks above there, then we got $18 right there. Now that move on a small stock like this can change your life because the stock is only trading right now at $13. It just came from $17, right? Literally the middle of August, this stock was at $17 and then it rejected. And right before that, last month, it touched $18.31. So if you get a move and the stock can just go back to where it came from $13 to $17.25 on a small stock like this with options, that will change your life. That is we talking over a 300% trade right here by you doing nothing but just being in position. Okay, so that is on that's a daily and a 2-day time frame, right? Yesterday we had on Friday we had a bearish engulfing right here, so we could come down a little bit lower, right around this area right here, $12, $12.37, and then we could see a bounce. If I see a bounce right here, that would be an indication of a reversal. I would get in a longer term contract and ride this up, okay? But anything under $13 is a gift to you from the stock market, for real, okay? And if we go down to the monthly time frame, okay, the monthly time frame, let's look at it. Let me take off all these real quick, these arrows, so we could clean it up a little bit for you. Okay. All right. So we have, in August it consolidated. All right. It traded inside of the range right here. And this range is getting smaller, as you can see, right? You had a candle right here. This candle was smaller, but it failed to go lower, came up. Now this candle is consolidating, but it's lower and it's smaller than this candle. So next month, if we consolidate for another month, potentially we could, or if we stay inside of this range right here, all that's going to let me know is a big move is coming, and it could either be to the upside or to the downside, and my guess would be to the upside. Okay, so this is on the monthly right here, right? The IPO, they came down, then they came down lower, pushed back up, bounced up, and then boom, right? Now we're right here. If we can break above in September 1708, then Webull could really go up to, $18 to $21, okay? Or $18 to $19. And then from there, we can see if it's going to go higher and push higher or not. All right. But this is on the monthly time frame right here. All right. So that's an analysis on Webull. All right, I think it's a great growth stock. I think that it's at a really cheap price right now. So this low price, this pullback that it's on right now, it could set you up for the long term. So if you get a contract 6 months out, 3 months out, 9 months out, a year out, I think in that time frame, you could make a lot of money with this stock. All right, so that's a stock, a $70 stock, $60 stock that you can get for only $13 right now. All right, I'm not saying go rushing to go get the stock. Do your own diligence. None of this is financial advice, but I'm letting you know what I see in the charts, and I'm letting you know what I'm seeing in the market. All right, so you guys enjoy your week. Tomorrow we will be going live as well. Okay, we're going to be going live in the evening time. So like I always say, make sure you get up out of your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right, and also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right, you guys have a great day, weekend. Y'all stay smooth, and I'm gonna holler at you guys tomorrow. Peace.